So I stopped at where you have to delete. Now let's imagine you want to also add, you have stocks you purchased on, let's say, or yeah, let's say you want to also add stocks to another portfolio that is not just your Afriinvest portfolio, right? So you can see we have two boxes here. We have Afriprud here and we have Zenith Bank here, and both of them are added to our Afriinvest. Now let's say in this same place you want to add to another stock brokerage firm. So you can click on here that says add new stock. Then let's say we have GTCO and we use Norenberger. So we select GTCO. This box below here, we tap on it, and then let's say Norenberger. Click on Norenberger and then put in the date we purchased the stock and then the price and the number of shares. But let's just delete this, right? Let's just say we want to focus on adding to our Afriinvest. So we now click on done. When you click on done, you can see you now have two stocks in your Afriinvest, right? So when you click on Afriinvest, it now calculates for you. You can see it's worth 350k. My total returns and my today's return. So I'm down 6,800 today, right? So you can now compare this with the different indexes we have. So currently, if you compare my portfolio with the index, you can see that my portfolio is currently beating the index, meaning I'm doing very well. I can compare to the banking sector to see if I'm beating the banking sector, right? So that's the purpose of this. So let me just click on all share. Select all share. So that's how to add a stock. If you want to also edit this portfolio, you can click on this button that says edit portfolio, and you should be able to maybe delete or add a new purchase to the portfolio, right? So we'll keep on improving on this, but this is how to add a stock to your portfolio. And like I said, if you want to create a new portfolio, let's say you want to create a new portfolio, you want to create for another brokerage firm, let's say Carrywise, you click on this button that says add portfolio, you click on add holdings manually, you click on continue, then you click on here that says add portfolio. You can call it Carrywise. Right. Then you give it a color, give it a teal color, click on create. So it's now created. The next step is now to add a stock. You now click on add new stock, and when you click on add new stock, this box shows up, and you can see, you can now see, let's say I purchase Abbey Mortgage Bank. You can select Abbey Mortgage Bank. Now below this box, you see that Afriinvest is automatically selected because it's the last place I saved stocks to. So I click on it, scroll down, you see here that says Carrywise. You can now select Carrywise, and then you can now add a stock. I already have Abbey Mortgage. I'll put in the day I purchased it. Let's say on the 3rd of March, put in 03/2026. Then I put in the price. Let's say I purchased it. Okay, let's just check the price of Abbey here. Search for Abbey. Price on the 3rd of March. On the 3rd of March, what was Abbey trading for? It was trading for 10 naira 30 kobo. So I'll put in 10 naira 30 kobo. 30 kobo. So I purchased 100. And then I put in my target price. Let's say it's 15 naira. Then I can click on done. Right. So you can see Carrywise stocks. So this is basically how to add a stock to your portfolio on Afrimetrics. If you want to delete, you can click on here to delete or edit the portfolio. And if you want to see the overall holdings, what is what, you come to here that says dashboard, and then you can see the total holdings, what is what, and you can see it's down. Right. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me to help you out with your questions. And here that says portfolio performance, you can filter down, right? You can filter to your dividend bucket, and when you filter your portfolio performance, this chart will basically show you each individual portfolio, right? Each individual portfolio. I think what we'll add is for you to see everything as a whole, and not be only to filter all of them. You can see all the whole portfolios compared to the index, right? We'll work on that feature. But if you come to the segment chart, you see that for this particular dividend bucket, I have 17% in guaranteed GTCO and 83% in Zenith Bank for my dividend bucket. So let's come to our Carrywise, which we just created. You can see that I just have one stock, Abbey 100%. Now let's check our Let's check our Afriinvest. For Afriinvest, you can see that we have Afriprod. Afriprod is 34%. Zenith Bank is 66%. So I hope you found value. If you have any questions, I mean, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Give your feedback in the community. We will always be there to respond and be of help. Cheers, guys.